In this video, I'm going to show you how to play CS2 using a steering wheel. It's actually very simple setup, so make sure to follow along. By default, our steering wheel does not work with CS2, but don't worry, we will fix that using a simple external tool. CS2 is designed to work with keyboard and mouse, standard controllers, a steering wheel using completely different inputs which the game cannot recognize on its own. So to make this work, we need a program that translates steering wheel input into input CS2 to understand. So there are multiple programs that can do this, but the one I recommend is X360CE. This software converts steering wheel input into controller or keyboard inputs, and those inputs can then be read normally by CS2. Once you have downloaded the software, you need to open it, click add game, select CS2 from the list, and if CS2 doesn't appear automatically, you can manually add it. Now plug your steering wheel into your PC. This is usually done via USB. Once connected, go back to the software. At the top, you will see multiple controller slots, controller 1, controller 2, and so on. Here's what to do. Click on one of the controller slots. Look for your steering wheel in the device list. If it doesn't appear, select add new device. Choose your steering wheel. For example, this could be something like a Logitech G920. Once added, assign it to the controller slot. After assigning the wheel, you will need to configure the buttons. You have two options: use a default profile if one is available, or manually map each input. If you are mapping manually, press each button or pedal on the wheel, assign it to a controller or keyboard action. This includes things like buttons, pedals, steering input. Because you are using a steering wheel, you will also want to adjust dead zone, sensitivity, force feedback. These settings help make the control feels more usable and responsive in CS2. Once everything is configured, save your profile, make sure it's active, and launch CS2. Your steering wheel input will now be translated in real time, allowing you to play the game using the wheel. And that's it. You are now playing CS2 with a steering wheel. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.